Morning guys, welcome back. So this morning guys, we're back in the Isipingo. I thought I'd just come and have a look at the water after these very heavy rains guys. If you look across there, that's the lagoon. Have a look at the water in there guys. So it's not going to be long before it breaks its banks. It's going to come into the sea. But we've had very heavy rains last night guys. You might just be able to see the color of the water. It's turned into the brownish color. So right across there guys, where we normally fish after the pipe towards Runion Park, the sea is very discolored. Lots of debris in the water. There's some on the shore. So not a great day to be on the beach this morning guys. Well, I mean, not a great day for fishing. It's a great day to take a walk. As we speak guys, we have some winds. So we're right on the deck this morning guys. Just got to be careful how you walk across here. Have a look here guys. People are just destroying the infrastructure. They're starting to take all this timber out guys. Have a look here. All the rails for this little walkway is gone. Starting to take this timber off guys. Have a look here. The bottom part is missing. The top part guys, it's gone. So if you're in the area, please be careful. These idiots are really creating a mess here guys. Have a look down there guys. All that timber's gone. This decking is also gone guys. Have a look here. Trying to sort this umbrella out guys. Have a look at that guys. This section is gone completely. Have a look here guys, and if you walk too close, definitely gonna fall. So if you're coming at kids, just please be careful guys. Have a look here. Everything is just gotten to a state of disrepair. So you got to be cautious. Because after those big storms, nothing's been done to repair this area. Have a look at that guys. Just destroyed. So that's what the water looks like guys. So guys, there is a forecast of rain for the next few days, so maybe we should just use this time to prepare our tackle, clean up our boxes, and hopefully this should clear up, guys, and we can get back to some fishing. So guys, I just thought I'd just bring you a quick update as to what's going on. It's approximately 5 o'clock in the morning, guys, the 26th of December. Trust you had a good Christmas. And please be careful on the roads. The roads are pretty slippery. The cats are having a bit of a fight here too. As you can see, guys, there's no one on the beach. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Cheers, guys.